Hey, this is Rupi Donsnack here, your water queen and social media coach. So I'm excited to be hanging out with you today, and I'm going to talk to you about what you're going to get, the fitments that come with the machine when you get your order. So I'm going to show you an older model. Well, it's actually an obsolete model, but it doesn't matter. It's what you get with the machine, any of the machines that you order. So you will get the manual, which is great because it's got all the instructions of how to set it up, how to test your water, talks about the different waters, how to attach it to your tap, and all that sort of stuff that you need to know. You'll also get one of these labels like that. You can see that. So that's to put on your water filter to remind you of when you need to change it. And your machine will let you know, of course, as well. So that's good to know. And you'll get a whole load of these, attachments. So this is for attaching to your tap. And depending which country you're in, they will send you the correct attachments for your tap, and you can have a play around. Definitely, you'll find something that will fit your tap or inside your tap. If you don't, I've also got, just bear with me 1 minute. There's also one of these sort of, if you can see it there, it's like a screwing thing. So you can actually undo it, pop it to the faucet of the tap, and then you just screw it tight so it sits tightly and neatly. I think they've stopped putting these in the packages, but you can ask the company for it. And you can also, I think, probably get one from a plumber. And by the way, there's no plumber required to do this machine. Like I said, all the instructions are in here, and it's very easy to do. I can always help you as well. Now, you'll also get a nice little cleaning kit here. These are citric acid sachets, and usually you put 2 in there. Now, it is recommended, so this is just a little like starter kit that you get. You'll need to order some more. It is recommended to clean your machine at least once a fortnight to monthly, depending on the water hardness that you have, because what you're doing is cleaning off any deposits or calcium deposits or any other type of deposits off your plates. Because if your titanium plates are not clean, you're not going to get that good ionization and that good hydrogen that we love to drink. So make sure you only use the company product, because otherwise you'll ruin your warranty. That's another thing. Don't go buying citric acid that you can buy in the shops. It's not the same. This is specially formulated for those machines, and you will void your warranty if you don't use it. All right. So they will know when you send the machine for clean, or you say there's something wrong with it, they will know. Okay. And with that, you'll also get what I call the cleaning filter. So this sits into the machine like that, and you've got a, this is the cleaning cartridge, as it's called. So one of those. And with the cleaning, I recommend that you do it overnight, because it takes a couple of hours. So I usually do mine overnight. It takes about 3 hours, and then first thing in the morning when I wake up, I can undo everything, put everything back, and then just run the water through, and then you're done. You're basically done. It's good to go. All right. Now you'll get one of these little funnels here, and this is to put your electrolysis enhancer into the machine. Now, the electrolysis enhancer, I know many people say, oh, that's chemicals. No, it is not actually. And if you read on here, it's actually processed water with sodium chloride and sodium hypochlorite. It's all natural, okay? So you put that in there. This is the electrolysis enhancer, so you can get those strong acidic waters, nice for cleaning, okay? That's what you get in there. And then you'll get your, there's another section in here. Just look in my box. Yep. So you've got this here, which you can attach to the side of the sink. This is for the Jr2 to hold your piping types. Piping, I've lost it now. The piping onto the sink, okay? So you've got those attachments. This is the main attachment. I call it the camera. So smart, please. I call this the camera. Now, the camera is the attachment that goes to the tap so that you can have the different types of water. Now, what you've got on your tubing goes here, so it feeds it through to the machine, so the water feeds through to the machine. Now, this part here goes to the tap. You've also got like a little showering unit there. Can you see that? I'll hold it close. There you go. And that's for the tap there. Like I said, it's like a little camera. Makes me laugh. Okay. And here you've got the little diverter, so you can just twist it around, and you've got 3 settings on it. It says red is tap, so you tap water if you just want tap water, and you turn it once, you get your shower, so that then goes through here. You've got your shower, so all those little holes, and then you've got your, it says ion, so the ion water is when you're getting your hydrogen water to drink. Okay, so that's it there. And also in your little box of tricks, you'll get these 2 little kits here. Okay, so this one here, firstly, I'll just show you. You've got a little cute little chart. Okay, you see that? Oops, sorry, it's a bit shiny with my little light. And you've got the litmus paper, and the litmus paper is so that you can test your strong acidic waters, your cleaning waters as such. All right. And then the other little kit that you've got here is for you to test your drinking water, and you can test your tap water and just see what, where your tap water is at. Remember that your tap water has chlorine in it, so it's likely to be a sort of bordering on a pale blue to sort of greeny color. All right, so you put some water in here from your tap, and I've already used this, but there's some pH drops in there. You put 1 or 2 drops. You won't need very much because there's not much there, but it'll give you, it'll change the water color so that you know what pH that is. And inside here, you've got like a little mini chart. You see that there? Oops, there you go. So you've got the pH, the acidic here, and then the alkaline ones there. All right. So what you want it to be is in the purple range, because that's the drinking water for you. That's the alkaline water or alkalizing water with the hydrogen, of course. Got to have the hydrogen. Only run on hydrogen. So that's basically it. So you can test your water, make sure that it's all good. Now, that's pretty much it from me. Do give me a subscribe if you enjoy the content, and put your notifications on so that you can follow for more. Please check my links below. Go and get your free ebook. You can get a free ebook on the water. The links are all below, and you can come and find out some more. Okay, now if you decide that you would like to come through me with the machine, I'll be glad to help you out, and also I will follow you for 30 days to make sure that you use the water correctly, because you've invested your money. It's not just about knowing how to drink the water, it's also about using the machine correctly, using the pHs around the home and with what you do, removing your pesticides, for example, when you're cooking, and also when you're cleaning your bathrooms and your kitchen. I can help you and show you. So for 30 days, I will help you with that, just to get you set right. And of course, I'm always here for your questions afterwards, and you can always refer to my channel if you need to, or connect with me via email. So that's what I do to make sure that you get set up, and also we'll help you with the, I'll help you with the cleaning and know how to set everything up as well. So I'm at your disposal to help you out. So let me know. And if you've got any questions, then please connect. All right. Okay, like and follow for more. Bye for now.